In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use block patterns in the WordPress editor. If you're looking to add some dynamic structure and design options to your WordPress site, block patterns are a fantastic tool to explore. They offer a quick, efficient way to create beautiful layouts without needing to manually build each individual section. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of this feature. To begin your journey with block patterns, first, ensure that you're on the right page in your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the post or page where you want to make changes or add new content. Once you've accessed the editor for that specific post or page, your first step is to open the block inserter. This is conveniently located at the top left corner of your editor window. Look for the plus icon, which might appear both in the top left corner and within your content area. Clicking on this icon will open up a vital feature called the block inserter. Now, with the block inserter open, you'll notice a series of tabs across the top. One of these is labeled as Patterns, and that's exactly where you want to go next. By clicking on the Patterns tab, you open up a whole new world of design possibilities. This tab reveals a variety of pre-designed block patterns that WordPress has ready for you to use. It's your toolkit for spicing up your content with some very neat patterns. Browsing through these patterns can be done in two straightforward ways. First, you can browse by category. Categories like buttons, columns, gallery, and header are ready to help you find what you need more efficiently. Simply click on the category name that interests you, and you'll be shown all the available patterns that fit within that category. It's a quick way to home in on specific layout structures. Alternatively, if you have a clear idea of what you're looking for, you can use the search feature. Located within this Patterns tab, the search bar allows you to type in keywords related to the pattern you need, such as gallery, call to action, or testimonial. It's an efficient tool for finding specific patterns without having to browse through each category. Once you've found a pattern that suits your needs, inserting it into your post or page is a simple click away. Just select the pattern you've decided on, and it will automatically be inserted right where your cursor is positioned. This seamless integration makes building visually appealing and well-structured content a breeze. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to use block patterns in the WordPress editor. With these tools at your disposal, feel free to experiment with different patterns to see what best enhances your site's layout and functionality. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy bringing your WordPress site to life with these exciting block patterns.